Here are 6 reasons why most Central Florida Tesla Cybertruck owners bring their cars here to Tinterz. For the last 10 years, we've specialized in color change paint protection film because it lasts 10 times longer than vinyl and it provides the ultimate protection for your Cybertruck. We go beyond with our customizations, including painting calipers to match the color of the film you choose, custom graphics, and light bar installs. And we could do the same thing to your car to make it unique. Our installers are the best in Florida. In fact, they've even won the Golden Glove Award at SEMA and Installer of the Year for multiple major film companies in a row. We've got a full graphics team to bring your ideas to life. Business logos, custom graphics, and unique combinations are all possible here at Tinterz. Here, we treat your car like it's ours, with pristine attention to detail and the finest care to ensure a seamless install every time. We are the largest paint protection film distributor in the country for all major PPF brands, so we have hundreds of colors and finishes for you to choose from. So 26,000 installations later, we are very confident that our team will exceed your expectations. So come to Tinterz, where quality meets affordability. To customize your car, give us a call or click the link below.